Did you know these mind-blowing facts about our oceans? Let's dive in. Fact 1. Over 80% of the ocean is unexplored. There's a whole world down there we've barely touched. Fact 2. The ocean produces over half of the world's oxygen. Those tiny phytoplankton are doing big things. Fact 3. The largest living structure on Earth is the Great Barrier Reef, spanning over 1,400 miles. Fact 4. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. It's the ocean's deepest point at about 36,000 feet. Fact 5. Every year, 8 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans. Let's help keep them clean. Like, share, and follow for more incredible facts.